Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss about laws of exponent. In this we also learn how we multiplying powers with the same base and how we dividing powers with the same base. First we discuss about how to multiplying powers with the same base. So let's start. 2 raised the power 3 multiplied 2 raised the power 4. We write them as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 raised the power 3, it is 3 times repeated multiplication of 2. And multiply 2 raised the power 4, it is 4 times repeated multiplication of 2. So we write them 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now we remove this bracket, we write them 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now we count the how many times 2 is repeatedly multiplied. It is equal to 2 raised the power 7. There is 2 raised the power 3 multiplied 2 raised the power 4. We also write it as 2 raised the power 3 plus 4, which is also equal to 2 raised the power 7. Let's we take one more example. Minus 3 raised the power 2 multiply minus 3 raised the power 3. Minus 3 raised the power 2, it is 2 times repeated multiplication. So we write them as minus 3 multiply minus 3. Multiply minus 3 raised the power 3. It is 3 times repeated multiplication of minus 3. Minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3. So we again write them as minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3 multiply minus 3. So minus 3 raised the power. Now we count how many times we repeatedly multiply minus 3. It is equal to 5. So we write them as minus 3 raised the power 5. There is minus 3 raised the power 2 multiply minus 3 raised the power 3. Base is same, that is minus 3. So we add its power 2 plus 3, which is equal to minus 3 raised the power 5. Let's we take one more example. A raised to power 2 multiply a raised the power 3. A raised the power 2. We write them as a multiply a. And a raised the power 3. We write them as a multiply a multiply a. Again we write them a multiply a multiply a multiply a multiply a. It is equal to a raised to power 5 because it 5 times repeated multiplication of a. So in question there is a raised to power 2 multiply a raised to power 3. So we write them as a raised to power 2 plus 3. It is equal to a raised to power 5. So when we multiply two exponential form with same base, we add their power. In this base is same, so we add its power. Again in these two exponentials form, base is same, we add their power. So let's we take some more example. Minus 11 raised to power 3 minus 11 raised to power 6. So minus 11 is the base. Base is same in both. So we add its power. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. B raised to power 5 multiply b raised to power 6. Both the bases are same. B is any integer. So we add its power 5 plus 6, which is equal to 11. D raised to power 10 multiply d raised to power 21. Base are same. It is d. It is any integer. So we add its power 10 plus 21, which is equal to 31. So in general, any non-zero integer a where m and n are two whole numbers, a raised the power m multiply a raised the power n, in which both the bases are same, it is equal to a raised the power m plus n. A is base is same, then we add its power. One more example. 2 raised to power 3 multiply 3 raised to power 2. These are two different exponential form. In this, their base are different. So when the base of two exponential form are different, we cannot add their powers. 2 raised to power 3. In this, base is 2. 3 raised to power 2. In this, base is 3. So we cannot add the powers when the base are different. So now we divide the power with the same base. 3 raised to power 7 divided by 3 raised to power 4. We write them as 3 raised to power 7 over 3 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 7, it is 7 times repeated multiplication of 3. So we write them as 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 over 3 raised to power 4. It is 4 times repeated multiplication of 3. We write them as 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 4 times 3 in denominator and 4 times 3 in numerator are cancelled. So in numerator 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. We write them as, so we write them 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 7 divided by 3 raised to power 4. In both the exponential form, base is same. So when we divide the exponential form with same base, we subtract their power. 3 raised to power 7 minus 4 equal to 3 raised to power 3. So when we divide the exponential form with same base, we subtract their powers. Let's we take one more example. 5 raised to power 6 divided by 5 raised to power 2. So we write them as 5 raised to power 6 over 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 6, it is 6 times repeated multiplication of 5. We write them as 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 and multiply 5 over 5 raised to power 2. It is 2 times multiplication of 5. 5 multiplied by 5. So there are 2 5 in the denominator and 2 times 5 in the numerator are cancelled. And we write them as 5 multiply 5 and 5 multiply 5. It is equal to 5 raised to power 4. So in question, 5 raised to power 6 divided by 5 raised to power 2. So their base are same. In this exponents, base are same. We write 5 raised to power 6 minus 2. It is equal to 5 raised to power 4. Base are same, so we subtract its power. Let a be a non-zero integers. Then a raised to power 4 divided by a raised to power 2. We write them as a raised to power 4 over a raised to power 2. A raised to power 4, it is 4 times repeated multiplication of a, and a raised to power 2, it is 2 times repeated multiplication of a. So 2 times a in numerator and 2 times a in denominator are cancelled. So in numerator a multiply a, it is equal to a square. A raised to power 4 divided by a raised to power 2. It is equal to a raised to power 4 minus 2. It is equal to a raised to power 2. So when base are same, we subtract their powers. Let's we take some more example. 10 raised to power 8 divided by 10 raised to power 4. In this, base is same, it is 10. So when we divide exponential form with same base, we subtract their power. 8 minus 4. It is equal to 10 raised to power 4. 20 raised to power 15 divided by 20 raised to power 13. In this again base is same, it is 20. So we subtract its power. 15 minus 13. It is equal to 20 raised to power 2. 7 raised to power 13 divided by 7 raised to power 10. Again base is same, so we subtract its power. 7 raised to power 13 minus 10. It is equal to 7 raised to power 3. So for non-zero integer a, b and c, a raised to power 8 divided by a raised to power 5. In this again base is same, so we subtract its power. A raised to power 8 minus 5, it is equal to a raised to power 3. B raised to power 10 divided by b raised to power 5. Base is same, so we subtract its power. 10 minus 5 is 5, so b raised to power 5. C raised to power 100 divided by c raised to power 90. So base is same, c, so we subtract its power. 100 minus 90, it is equal to 10. So for in general, for any non-zero integer a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n, it is equal to a raised to power m minus n when base is same. So in this, m and n are two whole numbers and m is greater than n. So the law of exponents, when we multiply two exponents with the same base, a raised to power m multiply a raised to power n, it is equal to a raised to power m plus n. And when we divide two exponents with same base, it is equal to a raised to power m minus n. So any non-zero integer, m and n are whole numbers. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.